these kids are insane. Like, some of them are just, you see just like in 3 weeks how far they've come in just designing these ideas that they just, you know, snapped up on, you know, here's a couple hours notice, figure out a thing you want to do for the next 5 weeks.
You can just see it, they're really passionate about what they're doing. They can, you know, discuss what they're doing, they can explain it in a way that, you know, you can tell that they really own their projects.
Really hands-on, it's really fun. Yeah, it's a really good opportunity.
Yeah, because a lot of people are coming out with like computer science majors or like electrical engineering majors, but there's not too much like intertwining. Like, there's no connection. Like, yeah, they might be strong in one area, but not strong in the other. But I feel like the CPSE program meshes both those subject matters very well.
I think the more important thing is that they learn the intangible skills, the skills of teamwork, right? The skills of persevering through when you're problem solving, when you're going through obstacles and setbacks.
Adversity,
yeah,
100%.
You know, getting a drone to work in 5 weeks, fly autonomously, deliver a package is definitely not an easy job.
Yep. And try doing it in 1 week.
There's the crazy group dynamics. There's the teams of 2 or 3 that are just like laser focused. They've just been working the whole time, steadily building. There's the team that's, you know, they've completely delineated. One person's doing all the physical work. One guy is just literally buried his head in a computer and is just making websites and programming and handling APIs all day long. It's great to see that like willingness to do like project management stuff where everybody's going to handle a different aspect of the team and they actually stick to it and do it. It's yeah. I mean, you see everything. It's crazy how only 32 people is enough to see like a complete microcosm of all the different ways a team can go.
Since the first day, we've all had like our opportunity to choose what project we want to work out. So I feel like it's very liberating and it's very like creative, driven, where you can choose what you want to do and what team to be on. And then from that team, you can also choose on what sessions you want to work on. If you want to do the hardware, if you want to do the software, or just the general design outline, or just help like a little bit everywhere else. So I feel like it's a creative program and certainly letting me run free.
I think on one hand it's a little bit easier just having 2 people, like there are ups and downs to team size. We just have 2 people, it's really easy because like nothing gets lost in communication because we're just talking to each other about each thing we do. So it's really easy to work together.
Those teams that have the facility of project management, they have the ability to execute on deliverables and to hold each other accountable, but they have to problem solve through those obstacles, and they have to quickly pivot. They have to quickly think creatively. But then I think the value here is teaching them the right attitude. I told them the other day that one of the attitudes that they should have as an engineer and even as in their personal lives, in their social life, is the attitude of gratitude, right? Because when you're grateful for the opportunities that you have, you're grateful for your teammates and the opportunity that you have because of this training, you become very humble, right? Number one. And then you are open now to learning new things and executing the project.
So I think it was good that we chose something that we knew we could get done in this time and we knew we could put a lot of energy into, and something that we were all passionate about and all of our skills align with that. So I think that's going to be true regardless of whether we win.
I mean, we'd be really proud of ourselves. I feel like we would all have deserved it and been really happy about everything we've accomplished. So regardless of whether we win or not, we've all put in our best efforts. So our demo day, we're going to be happy no matter what.
It's really been kind of amazing. It's like 5 weeks ago we were just drawing with this basically on a piece of paper. I mean, we wrote out what we wanted to do, all the goals and stuff, and then we made it. I mean, here it is. It's right here. It's awesome.
I hope I see a really cool demo day.